Welcome back to the channel, guys. So some of you guys have asked how I was able to power the radar detector from this mirror. So I will take this apart and I'll show you what connections I made to achieve that. Here's a cover around the connections or the wires of the rearview mirror. Once you split that apart, you're able to see the connector that's powering this mirror. Here you can see my connection going to my radar here. In this case, my red wire is my ground, which I have grounded to the sunroof motor. The wire is obviously running through the mirror here into here. As you can see, this red wire, and I got an eyelet connector here, and I've grounded it to the screw for the sunroof motor. Black wire is the positive power wire, which I have it feeding off of a green with a white stripe wire, which is actually going to this plug here in the back that goes to the mirror itself. There's actually two green and white wires in there. Actually, the other one is more of a white with a green stripe, and the one you want to power off is a green with a white stripe. You can see that here. That's the one I have it powered off of. Hasn't been any issues for years. So hopefully that helps somebody out. If you do get confused, being there's two green wires in here, just take a test light and you should have power at one of them with the key on, and that's the one you want to use. Hopefully that helps you guys out. I'll go ahead and button this up. Thank you for watching.